This video will walk you through using a NEPI's built-in Connect application to securely connect and transfer messages, data, and files between NEPI-enabled devices and remote computers, servers, and cloud platforms running Numurus NEPI Connect server-side software. The device-to-server authentication and communication is made through NEPI's link communicating system, which supports a variety of connectivity gateways and data structures. In this demonstration, I will be using an embedded GPU processor box with the NEPI engine software installed and a connected NEPI IDX driver-supported USB camera. This tutorial assumes your NEPI device has been configured with a valid Connect NUID and public SSH key. If your device has not been configured, see the Customizing the NEPI File System tutorial available at nepi.com for setup instructions. In addition to the hardware components described, you will need credentials for accessing a remote server or cloud platform running NEPI's Connect server-side software. If your organization has an active server-side NEPI Connect software installation, speak to the IT group managing it to get login credentials or email nepi@numurus.com to get access to Numurus AWS-hosted NEPI Connect demonstration portal at nepi.io. Jumping into working with the Connect application on your NEPI device, you first need to sync your NEPI device's clock to your PC and connect it to an available Internet-enabled Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection. Start by opening your NEPI device's RUI to the dashboard page and clicking the Sync Clocks button. You should see your NEPI device's clock update to the PC's clock settings. Next, open the RUI System and Admin tab and either enable DHCP for an Ethernet internet connection or connect to an Internet-available Wi-Fi connection. For this demo, I will be connecting to the Internet through Wi-Fi. Wait for the Internet connected indicator to turn green before moving on to the Connect application configuration. Open the RUI Applications and Connect page and make sure the Enable NEPI Connect switch is enabled at the top of the page and that your NEPI device has a valid and not all nines NUID and public SSH key in the NEPI Connect pane on the left side of the page. Next, select the data you want to send to your remote NEPI Connect server-side installation when the device-side application connects using the drop-down box at the bottom of the Message Config pane. Now we are all set up to our NEPI device in our NEPI Connect server-side installation. In another browser tab, enter the IP address or domain name of the server running your NEPI Connect server-side software. For the Numurus demo installation, I will enter nepi.io and hit return. After typing in my credentials, the browser will take me to my organization's NEPI Connect portal dashboard. To add our NEPI device's authentication credentials to the NEPI Connect server-side database, I just need to click the Add Device button under the Fleet Map View window. Copy the NUID and SSH key from your NEPI device's Connect application page to the appropriate boxes and enter a name for your device, whatever you want to call it. Then click the Add Device button at the top of the pop-up window. My new device is now listed in the Fleet Dashboard's device list. If I click on my device in the list, I will be taken to the device's connection view page, which we will use to test our connection. Next, we want to capture some data to send to our Remote Connect server. NEPI supports manual, scheduled, and automation-triggered Connect data collections. For this demo, we will use the manual option. So open the NEPI device's RUI Applications and Connect tab and click the Capture Messages Now button in the Message Config pane to capture and queue data to send to the NEPI Connect server installation. You should see the value increase in the queued message data indicator box, which indicates that new data has been captured and is ready to send. Before testing our device-to-server connection and data transfer process for the first time, it is helpful to set up a split-screen view with the NEPI device's RUI Connect application on the left and the NEPI server's Connect portal application on the right to monitor the two sides simultaneously. Select the Connect Now button in the RUI Connects page COM link setting pane to start a new device-to-server authentication and data transfer process. You should see the Connection in Progress icon turn green to indicate that the NEPI device is trying to connect and transmit data to the configured NEPI Connect side server installation. If everything is configured properly on both sides, you should see the connection status indicator and the NEPI portal's device view page blink green as messages are being transferred from the NEPI device. When the connection completes, you should see several new messages appear in the NEPI portal's device view recent messages box. If your NEPI device's NavPost solution had any GPS, heading, or orientation data values other than 0 when you captured the data and initiated a connection, you should see the correct GPS location shown in the device location map view, and heading/orientation data properly displayed in the associated NavPost widgets. You can use the gray vertical boxes on the right and left of the image pane data to step forward and backward through your data. In the metadata page, you can view metadata for each received message in the metadata pane. It is worth noting that NEPI link communications include both status messages and associated data messages, so not all messages will have image or other data products. Hopefully, this gives you a good overview of NEPI's built-in Connect application for moving data and files securely between NEPI devices and cloud servers. Check out the other videos in this series covering NEPI's AI and automation applications for more.